Hello, friends. Happy day 4 of this week already. I can't believe how fast this week is going. We're going to get started today with our sounds lesson. So I want you to think about the things that we've been working on, like blends, listening for those sounds and breaking them apart. And we're also working on changing the last sound in the word. So if you need to use your sound boxes, that's okay. You can draw the squares on your on a whiteboard or on a piece of paper, okay? Otherwise, just follow along with me and let's get started. So the rhyming words that we're working on today are, the first one is or. What's a word that has that sound in it? Or. You could say door or floor or more. The next one is up. Good. You could say hop or drop or mop. There's a lot of those. Okay, great job. That's our rhyming words. Now we're going to move on to listening to the first sound. So remember, break that blend apart and tell me just the very first sound. So the words are cross and crumb. Good. Do you hear that k sound? Cross. The next one is store and steak. Good. It has a sound like a snake. The next one is fright and frog. That begins with a f sound, frog. What about switch and sweat? Good, it's another s sound, switch. The next one's train, true. There's that tricky one again, that t, t sound. And the last one is bronze or brought. Right, bronze. Good. Okay, now let's move on to chopping up our words. So you're going to blend it together first. Get your hands ready. Get them warmed up. All right, the first one is sleeves. Sleeves. The next one is princess. Princess. What about cleaner? Cleaner. The next one is freckles. Freckles. And the last one is swift. Swift. Just like my friends with that last name. All right. Now it's your turn to chop them up. Get ready. The first one is, oh, this is a long one. Are you ready? Grasshopper. Ready? G, s, grasshopper. That was a really long one. Did you get all those sounds? The next one's twinkle, twinkle. Ready? Twinkle. The next one is climbed. Ready? Climbed. Yes, yeah. Climbed. Climbed. The next one's cracker. Cracker. All right, and the last one is grocery. Okay, ready? Grocery. Grocery. Great job. Okay, nice. Now we're moving on to listening for the sound in the word. So you're going to tell me which part of the word you hear it in, the beginning, the middle, or the end. So the sound we're listening for today is purr, like princess. Are you ready? The first word is print. Right, we hear it at the beginning, print. The next one's surprise. That one's in the middle, surprise. What about promise? At the beginning, right? Promise. The next one's supreme. It's in the middle, so supreme. The next one's provide. You hear that at the beginning? Provide. All right. Moving right along. Let's get to adding our sound. So we're going to add a sound to the last part of the word. So the word that we're working on today is be, and we're going to add a sound to it to make a different word each time. So the be, add beam, beam. Be, add bean, bean. Be, add bead, bead. Be, add k. Beak, beak. Be, add z. Bees, bees. The last one is be, add t. Beat, beat. Great work. All right, now let's take away that last sound. So we're not going to have the same sound this whole time, so you might get a little tricked in the middle there. So listen for that sound, take away the last sound, and tell me what's left over. So the word is sail. What's sail without ul? You had sail, so now you have say, say. The word is same. What's same without So you had same, so same, or say, say. The word is save. What's save without v? Say, again. And the next one is safe. What's safe without f? Say. All right, don't get tricked by the next one. It's not say. Listen to it. The word is load. What's load without d? So load, low. Low is what's left. Load, low. All right, the next one is loan. What's loan without n? Right, loan, low. Low is what's left. Good job. All right, we're almost done. Now we just got to combine those last two things we did and change that sound. So get your hands ready. So our word is corn. Corn. Change n to t. So corn becomes court. Court. The word is note. Change t to p. So note becomes nope. Nope. Set. Change t to d. Set becomes said. Said. Race. Change s to d. So race becomes ray, d, raid. And the last one is that, change t to n. It's a tricky one. That becomes that, than, than. See, I told you that was a tricky one that even tricked me. All right, we're all done. Great work today. I'm so proud of you. Keep working hard, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.